basically what we've got now is on these, all the drills are intelligent. Okay? They have what we call intelligent switching. So in the intelligent switching, what it does is it works out the RPM of the motor is talking to the switch because it knows how far it's compressed, and that in turn is that's communicating with the battery. So in old days, what would happen is you get your apprentice to drill something.
It just goes full pull, wouldn't it?
He's trying to drill, and the drill's not going slow enough. And what you do, that's delivering all the power, and then the motors will burn, and that's when you see smoke coming out.
Yeah.
So what happens is you'll get the apprentice, and you'll tell him, well, I want you to do this, I want you to drill. And he's got one of these. Now with one of these, there's a set of instructions, and in the drill, there's also a set of instructions. It tells you how to do certain applications. Yeah. The trouble with it is the great British tradesmen are all as bad men, really, isn't it?
We don't need instructions, do we?
We throw it in the bin, it's under 7 tea bags, and then we're off.
Yeah.
Okay? So they put all these little things, there's a clutch on it, they put feelers, whether it's either hammer drill, whether it's drill, whether you want a clutch on it, etc. So we've got it on drill. It's got a gearbox. Now don't put all this on there for fun, it's there for a reason. So this will highlight the switching. And sometimes these tools are more intelligent than the end user. So here we go. Here's, for example, your apprentice turning up when he wants to drill something. So he gets there, it's a big bit, you've got to hold on to it.
And then he wonders
on the trigger, and it stops. Because all of a sudden that stops, it's within nanoseconds read that this is delivering the power, and it's going to turn it off. So your apprentice goes, what's going on? And he goes back at it again, doesn't he?
Does it again?
Triggers on. Until such times as he puts it in the right gear to give the gearbox and the torque and everything the right thing. So if you put it up here, it will drill all the way through. So effectively the tools are now becoming more intelligent than some of the end users.
Which is not a bad thing because so many accidents happen with tools, don't they? All the wrists get broken.
And two, these tools are expensive nowadays, they're not cheap anymore. So what you're actually doing is you're actually saving the battery.
Yeah.
Because if you look on here, there's 5 terminals. You only need one for live and one for neutral, and the others are diagnostic terminals.
Okay, yeah.
So they're like communication terminals in here for all to talk to one another. And also when you put it on a charger. So when you put it on the charger, these will turn around and tell the charger, and the charger will know if it's too hot, it won't charge it because it's dangerous. If it's too cold, etc. If it's too hot on the drill, it goes, that's too hot, it might damage it. You get what's called a hot pack shutdown.
Okay.
And if it's too cold, you'll get a cold pack shutdown and go see you later.
Yeah.
It also means that monitoring the RPM, etc., if it falls over in the van, because all these drills have a trigger that has a forward, a reverse, and when you put it in the middle, it actually locks the trigger. Yeah. So if it falls over in the van, historically, as you're travelling home, the drill's going round, and when you get home, it drains the battery. Yeah. So, it will monitor, there's no load on that, the trigger's not varying in any way, shape or form. Must be an accident, so I just turn it off.
That's a really good idea.
So that's why drills are quite expensive. People would go they're expensive because there's a lot of technology in here. Yeah. The intelligent switch. There's a lot of technology in here. These have got like little computer chips in them so that it can't drop too low, because if you drop the battery cells too low, they won't recharge, and it all monitors temperature. So very, very complicated things that we take for granted, we just plug and play. So that's why things are quite expensive, and that's why you need the intelligence to look after them.
Is there a warranty on the batteries?
Yeah, because they are so confident with these batteries, etc. The new batteries now have a 3-year warranty.
That's really good.
So you get hold of it, you do have to register it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't come as necessarily saying you have to register it. You've got your details on, done, 3-year warranty.
Brilliant.
And the good thing about that as well is by registering the tools, they all do have a website to register it. People go, I can't be bothered, but if you do it, it's registered when you purchased it. All the details, serial number are on there. Yeah. If you do have the misfortune of having tools stolen, then you can refer back to it and get all your details. So it is really worth doing it, because it's like a recollection of your gear. Because insurance companies want to know serial numbers.
Oh, they do. Yeah, not they do anything about it, but
well, they just pay out. And
yeah,
that's
there is
a different story.
That's whole. Yeah,
that's a world of pain.
Yeah.
So there you go. There's the intelligence of the machines and why. And that's why then that's what earns
absolutely fantastic.
Right?
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much. Thanks again.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah, we'll do. You too.